A lot of the schools, because of this, the COVID-19 are dealing with mental health issues. And so this is a growth mindset. So instead of whatever, try thinking, I'm not good at this. How about think about what am I missing? I give up. Instead of saying I give up, how about trying a different strategy? Instead of saying it's good enough, is this really my best work? What about this? I can't make this any better. Instead of saying I can always improve. A lot of times you hear kids say this is too hard. Instead of saying that, this may take some time. I made a mistake. We're talking about failure. Instead of saying mistakes help us learn. Failure helps us learn, people.